niggas push me over the edge, and I need to respond. You want war?
Hey yo, Stacks, what up, my nigga? Hey, gang, they say they want some gangsta shit, nigga. So be it.
Yo, it's tough in this cold world, so I pack heat. Niggas blink and they gone if they stare at me. Never thought that I'd arise, so they label me Stacks Money, motherfucker, so we finally meet. I came to eat, grab my check, respect and leave. Serve these niggas well done as I shell out beef. And ain't nobody gon' tell me how to live my life. Pick my fights in time, you'll believe the hype. Cause when it's Stacks in game, homie, the facts remain. Fuck with us, get strapped down with mask and tape. We ruthless, kid, riding, sipping juice and gin. Hallucinogens got me crazy boosting tin. So who's this kid acting like he's used to this? Ain't no rookie, but you pussies got me so convinced. One mic's all I need and you can close the show. Let my pen bleed and dream, and that's all she wrote.
See